Hello, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, I am going to show you how you can search in USPS jobs. USPS has lots of opening time to time, whole year, and it's very difficult to find the jobs. If you are new to find the jobs in USPS, then at the beginning it is pretty challenging. You will not find from where you have to start or from where you will get all the jobs. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find the job very easily. So let's get started. So this is the official website of USPS. So you can directly go usps.com this, or you can search and you can start typing USPS in Google and you'll find this website. For example, if you are in Google, basically you can type USPS and then you can hit enter key. You will find USPS welcome pages there. If you click here, it will go directly to this page. So this is the official website of USPS. Now let's see where we can find the jobs. So if you check carefully on the top, there is no career link or job search link. Even if you find a career link, you'll see it's difficult also. So let's see how we can search that. So once we are in usps.com, this website, we have to come at the bottom almost, and here you will find lots of link of footer. At the last, under USPS jobs, you will find careers. You just need to click here at the beginning and you will be in this page. Here you will find like careers. We deliver career opportunities, and now we are hiring, and there are lots of jobs are listing like this way. But where are the list of jobs? It's only a few list of jobs, right? But they have many jobs. Trust me, they have many jobs whole year. They're offering many positions. So in this way, if you try to search here, you will not find anything or something like that. Now let's see what we need to do. After coming to this page, basically we will not go anywhere down. We have to check this links for. There is overview, career opportunities, working with at USPS, how to apply, and profile logging. We have to click this second link, career opportunities. We have to click here, and then career opportunities page will be opened over here. Now here basically you will see like careers, top jobs, student, graduate, military, something like that. Still here all the jobs are not here basically. Okay, so we need to search where is the location. So where you need to go, we need to actually click here basically how to apply. So we have to click here how to apply, and then you will be in this page. Now again, it's a pretty challenging. Here you mention searching jobs, create profile, apply, so many things. If required, take exam, success, and learn more button. And if you scroll down, you'll also face this issue, and you'll find only couple of jobs are there, like this application time commitment, something like this, before applying this thing. So here also you will not find anything like that. So what we need to do, we have to come to this page, and then we have to choose this second option from here, process searching jobs. So you just need to click here searching jobs, then you will be in this page. From here we have to click search all available jobs. Don't click this thing, just go here search all available jobs, and then it will bring this type of pop-up. For best experience when applying, please use a desktop or laptop computer and allow pop-up content windows. We look forward to reviewing your applications. So basically they're suggesting that when you're planning to apply for USPS, use a desktop or laptop computer. Okay, now we have to press this continue button, and so once you press the continue button, then you'll find the job search space is there. Now you can start typing the keywords for particular job, and you can choose the location and functional area, something like that. You can choose all of them. If you want to choose all of them, you can select here, and then you have to scroll this thing, and you have to hold shift key, and you have to click the last state, so it will be selected all the states. And if you want to deselect couple of states, you can click here, it will be deselected. Same way you have to select this thing basically, functional areas, and here you need to type some keyword. If you don't type keyword, what will happen? If you click here, it will show all the list of the jobs here, right? Like this way it is showing all the jobs basically. And here you will be seeing basically it has so many types of jobs are there, right? So like now I think it is showing only 100. Okay, 100, but it has more basically. So filter this thing basically. We need to go back to the search, and then we have to type some keyword. Like for example, if you want to search a job like mail related, for example, if there is any mail keyword, then we can click start, and here we will find all the jobs which is related to male, like rural guard associate, some jobs are there. Here also you are looking showing like this way. So like for example, if you want to search by New York City only, we can choose from here New York. We can press keyboard N and it will be all the states starting with N, and from here we have to start searching New York, and then if we click start, we'll find all the jobs related to New York, and here you'll find lots of jobs also over there. So that's it guys. In this way basically you have to type the keyword and you have to choose the state and the functional area how you want to apply, and based on that you can start clicking this button. Then you will be able to find all the jobs of USPS. Now I'm going to show you from beginning to end in a quick review. So I'm going to jump the USPS website. This is their official website. Once you are in this website, you have to come at the bottom and you have to go USPS jobs career link. We have to click here and the career link page will be open. From here we have to use how to apply here. Basically click here and then you will be in this page. From here we have to click searching jobs, and after in this page we have to choose the second button, search all available jobs, and we have to press this continue button, and then it will bring this page for USPS job search page. Here we need to type some keyword. We need to choose the location where we are looking for the job and the functional area, and then after that we have to click the start button. Then only you will find that required job or that job which you are looking for. That's it guys. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to find jobs in USPS very easily, and after that you can apply your dream job very easily and you can start making some money. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you face any issue to find out how to search this type of thing, or if you face any problem, you can put in the comment section. I will try to answer those or to make some other videos so that you can understand the job searching process on USPS very easily. Thanks again for watching the video.